In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom t-shirt in Canva and prepare it for printing. First, head over to canva.com and log in so your work is saved as you go. From the home page, look for Create a Design and choose the t-shirt template. This opens a canvas that's already sized for apparel and usually includes a visible print area, which helps you keep your artwork in the zone that will actually be printed on a shirt. You can start from a blank canvas if you want full creative control, or pick a pre-made t-shirt template to jumpstart your ideas. Templates are especially helpful for layout inspiration and font pairings. If you choose one, you can still replace colors, swap fonts, and change images to match your concept. Next, bring in visuals. Click Elements to browse graphics, icons, and shapes, or go to Uploads to add your own logos or photos. Transparent PNGs work especially well for clean edges. As you choose graphics, think about contrast against common shirt colors and avoid overly thin lines that may not print crisply. Always make sure you have rights to use any image you upload. Now, add your message. Click Text to insert a headline, subheading, or body text. Keep slogans short, bold, and legible from a distance. Use the top toolbar to adjust font, size, weight, spacing, and alignment. Large, high-contrast typography tends to print best on fabric. With your elements in place, use the top toolbar to fine-tune colors, fonts, and sizes. Aim for simple, high-contrast palettes, and limit the number of fonts for a clean look. Keep key elements centered and within the print area. You can also duplicate elements for symmetry and use alignment tools to keep things tidy. For extra polish, try effects. Splice can give text a retro outlined look. Duotone is great for stylizing photos, and shadow adds depth to headings. Subtlety goes a long way. Preview at 100% zoom to judge how it will appear on a real shirt. When you're satisfied, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG and enable transparent background. This removes any unwanted box around your design, so it blends seamlessly with the shirt color. Make sure your design fills the canvas appropriately to maintain print quality. Finally, upload your PNG to a t-shirt printing platform such as Printful or Teespring. Follow their prompts to place the graphic within the printable area and preview it on different shirt colors and sizes. Check their recommended file specs if prompted, then proceed to order or publish. That's it. Log in, design confidently, export with a transparent background, and upload to bring your t-shirt to life.